If you're stepping into the world of web development in 2025, there's a high chance you've been torn between learning JavaScript or TypeScript. This debate isn't new, but the context around it has evolved significantly in recent years. In today's video, we're exploring a hot topic for developers in 2025, JavaScript versus TypeScript. This discussion comes straight from a thought-provoking blog post by one of our own, Ethan Carter. So whether you're just starting out or leveling up your skills, this one's for you. Let's get into it. What are JavaScript and TypeScript? JavaScript is the most widely used language in web development. It runs in every browser, powers nearly every interactive website, and is backed by a massive ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Then there's TypeScript. Developed by Microsoft, it's a superset of JavaScript that adds features like static typing, interfaces, and compile time error checking, all while compiling back down to regular JavaScript. In short, all TypeScript is JavaScript, but not all JavaScript is TypeScript. 2025 trends. What's changed? In 2025, the landscape of front-end and back-end development will continue to shift. TypeScript adoption has become mainstream. Tooling and framework support is TypeScript first. AI-assisted coding, like Copilot and ChatGPT plugins, works smoother with TypeScript. More jobs demand TypeScript. JavaScript versus TypeScript. Key comparisons. Let's break down the key differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. When it comes to typing, JavaScript is dynamically typed, meaning types are determined at runtime. TypeScript, on the other hand, is statically typed, giving you type safety and catching errors before you even run the code. In terms of the learning curve, JavaScript is generally easier for beginners. TypeScript adds some complexity, so it has a slightly steeper learning curve, but it pays off in the long run. Error handling is another big difference. JavaScript only catches errors at runtime, while TypeScript can catch them at compile time as well, which helps prevent bugs earlier in the development process. When we talk about tooling, JavaScript already offers a good developer experience, but TypeScript takes it a step further, offering excellent tooling, especially in modern editors like VS Code. As for maintainability, JavaScript ranks medium since it lacks enforced types. TypeScript shines here, making large code bases easier to maintain and scale. Both have full framework support, but TypeScript often offers a better developer experience with features like IntelliSense and better error checking. In terms of community size, JavaScript still holds the crown. It's massive. TypeScript's community is large and growing fast, especially in professional and enterprise settings. And finally, when it comes to performance, there's no difference. TypeScript compiles down to JavaScript, so both run the same under the hood. When should you learn JavaScript? JavaScript is still essential knowledge. You should start with JavaScript if you're just starting out and want to understand the fundamentals. You're building small projects or scripts. You want to dive into front-end frameworks like React or Vue. You're into creative coding, so the recommendation is you should start to learn the core concepts of JavaScript first, things like variables, functions, async and await, scope, and more. They'll give you a strong foundation for everything else to come. When should you learn TypeScript? Now, what about TypeScript? When should you learn it? TypeScript really starts to shine when you're working on larger code bases. You want scalability and fewer bugs. You're building apps with Next.js, Dino, or Node.js. You're aiming to be a professional developer. So my recommendation is once you're comfortable with JavaScript, learn TypeScript early. The benefits grow fast. Learning path in 2025. A smart roadmap. Let's talk about your learning path in 2025. A smart, practical roadmap to follow. Start with vanilla JavaScript. Learn syntax, ES6+, DOM, fetch, async await concepts. Build projects. Start with some simple projects first. Refactor with TypeScript. Add TypeScript to one of your JavaScript projects. Use TypeScript in frameworks built with Next.js or SvelteKit. Join a team or contribute to an open source software. Collaborate on real-world TypeScript codebases. Final verdict: JavaScript or TypeScript? Here's the truth. Don't choose one over the other. Embrace both. Start with JavaScript to build a solid foundation, then move on to TypeScript to future-proof your skills. In 2025, TypeScript isn't replacing JavaScript, it's enhancing it. Alright, that wraps up our deep dive into JavaScript and TypeScript in 2025. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which one do you prefer, and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments below so we can discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more tech insights from AlgoSync. And if you want to dive even deeper, check out the description. We've included some great resources to help you master both JavaScript and TypeScript. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.